Today I am going to be unboxing the Downy Wrinkle Guard. This is a fabric conditioner. I bought this because I needed a solution for my clothing. I don't like to use an iron, and I needed something to get the wrinkles out or keep the wrinkles out. Now, another solution that I could have used is a spray wrinkle releaser, but I don't like to spray stuff onto my clothing and wait for it to dry, yada, yada, yada. So I figured I'd try this out. Now, this is Downy Wrinkle Guard. Right here, it's the Wrinkle Guard. It's just looks like a normal fabric softener. All right, it's a little bit more expensive than the regular fabric softener, and I'm guessing because it has Wrinkle Guard in there. All right, so let's turn on the back and let's see what it's talking about right here. So on the back, it shows how to use this, and of course, it talks about what it does. It's in-wear wrinkle protection. So it puts the wrinkle protection within the fabric, and it reduces wrinkles, like it says, right out of the dryer. Easier ironing if you choose to use ironing. And right here it says, for best results, fill to the max line on medium loads. Consistently use Downy Wrinkle Guard, wash after wash, hang clothes to allow wrinkles to fall out over time. Promptly remove clothes from dryer to help prevent wrinkles. So I'm going to try this out and see how it works. I'm going to make a video about how it works and if I like it and if I would buy it again. Right down here, it just shows you for medium load, how much to put in, for large loads, for full capacity, and max wrinkle protection, yada, yada, yada. So I'm going to test this out. Right here, just normal directions: add detergent, pour desired amount of fabric conditioner into the separate dispenser or into the center agitator. All right, so there's a lot of instructions right here if you have a center agitator. So I'm just going to use this like a normal fabric softener or fabric conditioner and see how it goes. I'm going to go ahead and open up the top so you can see what it looks like. So just like a normal fabric conditioner, top is kind of fancy, I'm guessing, because they charge so much for this. I mean, I guess you got to make something a little fancy. Let me see what it smells like. Just has a fresh scent, nothing too strong or anything like that. I'm just going to go ahead and use this. If you've tried this before, let me know what your results were with this. Would you buy it again? Does it really get rid of your wrinkles? I'm actually going to make a video on this to see if it gets rid of the wrinkles, so stay tuned.